My name is Shubham. I am in standard 10th. I have learned smart and advanced English speaking skills, and I have mastered all the computer skills that they have persuaded me, and it gave me an edge from the students who are learning these skills now. And yes, uh, one must learn these skills for his or her own benefit, as it will help you in future. Like as we know, like our generation is going towards and heading towards more futuristic world of computers, right? So yeah, their faculties were very much supportive and cooperative with me, and it helped me very much in learning these skills. Yeah, it helped me in modernizing my concepts, like visualizing the things in looking the concept into a different aspect. And quite interestingly is that actually learning computer skills helped me a lot in doing my own academic skills and performing well. Yeah, yeah, one must pursue these skills, and for their benchmark from the students or from the other students who are trying to pursue the skills. But yeah, so yeah, it is good to pursue the skills for his or her benefit.
I see.
The course of learning smart and advanced speaking skills, it helped me get what I say. It get me yeah, hang on there.
It's okay. कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं ना, जो वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि वो बता दिया, लेकिन वो क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा वर्ड्स में, क्योंकि जो भी मेरा अभी तक जितने भी डिस्टिंक्शन मार्क्स आए, ये सब चीज़ें वो भी शो करती है, लेकिन ये सब चीज़ें मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि वो मैं बयान नहीं कर पा रहा, बता नहीं पा रहा। मुझे ये सब चीज़ सीख के इतना अच्छा लगा कि अब मैं इन सब जो भी चीज़ें, मतलब उनके जो टीचर्स हैं और जो भी इनके इतने मच कोऑपरेटिव सपोर्टिव टीचर्स फैकल्टीज़ हैं, और जिन्होंने मुझे इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया, और इसके कारण मैं आज कंप्यूटर स्किल और इंग्लिश में भी मैं अपना मास्टरी कर पा रहा हूँ। और मुझे ये मेरा स्वभाव था कि मैं इतने अच्छे टीचर से इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें मैं सीख सका, और आगे लाइफ को आगे अच्छे तरीके से मैं देख सका, और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैं इसे अपने शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकता।